Open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to edit. Drag this video to the timeline and resize it. Now go to the Effects tab and search for Tilt Shift Lens. Download this effect for the first time, then place it onto the video clip. Stretch this effect to the end of video or the part you want. At the top right side, the features of effect are available. You can customize them as per your desire. Range is used for the area of blur. A blur option, you can blur the part of video. Vertical is used for vertical positions of blur. By rotate option, you can rotate the blur at any side. Colors and filters are used for the enhancement of picture quality. Use high-resolution footage for a more realistic effect. Combine with color grading to enhance the miniature look. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel so that you never miss our videos.